So we are going to learn today how to make a box and whisker plot. So a box and whisker plot is a graph that represents data using medians. So if you remember, the median in a set of data is the number that you find after you order everything least to greatest and find the number in the middle. So basically, we're going to find a median and then median of medians, which are called quartiles. So this is separated into 4 quartiles. I'll show you exactly what that means. And these types of graphs, these box and whisker plots, they're used to determine percentages of your data. And they're actually very easy to read. So step 1, let's pretend this is our data here. Step 1 is you need to order your data least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So I want you to write this on your paper with me. So the order would be from least to greatest: 3, 7, 8, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 20. So I'm just going to make sure, because there's 17 numbers on the top, so I'm going to make sure I have 17 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. All right, so step 1, order the data least to greatest. We did that. Step 2 is to find the median. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to cross out a number on each side till you get to the middle. Okay, so let's try this. So crossing out a number on each side. You guys can do this with me till you get to the middle. Okay. Keep going until you get to the middle. And luckily, since there's an odd amount of numbers, there should only be one number in the middle. Okay, so my median is 15, so I'm going to write that here. So my median is 15. Now we're going to find the lower quartile. So here's what that means. So I'm going to erase what I just did here. So when you find the lower quartile, what you're doing is you're finding the median that's to the left of the median. So what you do is you circle your median. So there's our median here. Actually, make sure that's the one in the middle. 3, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6. Yep, okay, so that's our median. And now we want to find the median to the left of that. So now we go to the 15, which was our median, and we're going to cross out 1 from the left and the right over on this side. Okay, and we get a median of 10. So our lower quartile is 10. Now we're going to find the upper quartile, which is the median to the right. So remember, our median is 15. Now we're going to cross out left and right over here to find the upper quartile, which is the median to the right of the median. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm getting 2 in the middle, but they're the same number. So that means our upper quartile is going to be 18. So let me just check and make sure I didn't mess this one up. 3. Oh, no, I did mess this one up. There's 2 in the middle, 8 and 10. So what's in the middle of 8 and 10? 9. Okay, I'm going to make sure I made a mistake there. So we have our median, which is 15. We have the lower quartile, which is the median to the left of the median, which is 9. The median to the right, which is 18. And I'm going to erase this for a second. Let me just write this on a piece of paper so I don't forget this. So we get 15, 9, 18. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this. And then we have almost every number we need except for the smallest and the biggest. But those are really easy to find. You're just looking at them. Okay, so let me just erase this. We'll move on. So we're finding what's called the 5-number summary. So we need the smallest and the biggest number. So your smallest number is 3. Your biggest number is 20. I'm just looking from our order. Okay. So the median, the number in the middle, the upper and lower quartiles, which are the median to the left, the median to the right that we just found, the smallest and the biggest number, which we just found, these are called your 5-number summary. And you need these in order to make a box and whisker. So let me show you how to make your box and whisker now that we have every number that we need. I'm going to scroll down here. So what you do is you draw a number line and you number it from your smallest to your biggest. So my smallest number is 3. My biggest number is 20. Now, unfortunately, with a box and whisker, you really don't want to skip count. So we're just going to number it all the way up. So make sure you're doing this on your notes with me. So we're numbering it from 3, our smallest number, all the way to our biggest number. Okay, so make sure you're doing this too. This is a lot harder to do with a mouse, but that's okay. Especially since all of a sudden my mouse has like a huge red circle, and I don't know why, because I never put that on here, but that's all right. 15. 15, 16, 17. All right, and make sure you're doing it with me. 18, just about fit it there. Okay, 19 and 20. So now here's how you make your box and whisker plot. So we're going to use our 5-number summary. So what you do is you draw a vertical line over the 5 numbers that we found. So we found the smallest number, which is 3. Put a vertical number over that, or vertical line over that. Our biggest number is 20. Put a vertical line over that. Our median was 15. We'll put a vertical line over that. Our upper quartile, so the median to the right we found was 18. And our median to the left was 9. Okay? Now what you do is you should have 5 lines because we have a 5-number summary. So you kind of forget about the ones on the end for now, and the ones that are in the middle, so these 3 here, you're going to connect on the top and the bottom. Mine would look so much better if I was doing this with pencil, but that's okay. So it's going to look like a box, right? And then you draw a whisker to the outside number. So when you start in the middle, draw a line out to the middle. Out to your whisker. So start here, go out to your last line. Okay? So mine looks horrible because of the fact that I had to draw this with a pen, or with a mouse. But that is your box and whisker plot. So that is how you make one. Okay? So we're going to do some examples from the book now, but make sure you did this with me on your paper.